How to add pictures to TikTok videos. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, you have to go on the plus option that is located down below. As you click on the plus icon, then you have to go on upload, and then you have to go on photos and select some random photos that you want to upload. Let's say I am selecting some photos and then hit next button. As I hit next button, now I can post them or in our story, or I can change their timings, that how they come in a video, and also I can edit the voiceover and all the other things. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.